Number 1. Wear personal protective equipment, PPE. Always use appropriate PPE, such as safety glasses, gloves, and hearing protection, to safeguard against potential hazards. 2. Follow equipment guidelines. Adhere to manufacturer guidelines and instructions when operating machinery or tools to ensure safe usage. Number 3. Keep workspaces clean and organized. Maintain a clutter-free environment to prevent tripping hazards and make it easier to locate tools and equipment. 4. Know emergency procedures. Familiarize yourself with emergency exits, first aid kits, and fire extinguisher locations. Be aware of evacuation plans and procedures. Number 5. Use tools properly. Use tools for their intended purpose, and ensure they are in good working condition. Report any damaged tools or equipment immediately. And 6. Secure loose clothing and long hair. You may ask, why this one too? But I tell you, this is very crucial. Tie back long hair, and avoid wearing loose clothing that could get caught in machinery. Number 7. Be mindful of electricity. Follow proper procedures when working with electrical equipment. Inspect cords for damage, and never overload circuits. 8. Communicate effectively. Maintain clear communication with colleagues to avoid misunderstandings, especially when working on collaborative projects. And number 9. Receive proper training. All engineers must ensure that they are adequately trained in the operation of specific machinery and understand safety protocols. And the last, but very important one, report hazards immediately. If you identify a safety concern or potential hazard, report it promptly to the appropriate personnel or supervisor for immediate and appropriate actions to be taken.
Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated anytime we release a new video. Bye for now. See you in the next video.